Hello, what's up mga people? Good evening. Tonight vlog mga kaibigan. Nandito po kami sa Sainsbury Car Park. Ayan po. Nagpark po kami dyan ng sasakyan kasi nandito naman kami sa Cosmo. Lalamo na naman kami ni Briton. Babe. Ayan. Nagpabook po si Briton ng table kanina. Sa Cosmo Restaurant po kami kakain. Ayan. 7 o'clock po yung aming table. So, is nearly 5 minutes, 10 to 5 minutes to 7 na po mga kaibigan. Katabi lang po to ng Sainsbury yung Cosmo. Palagi po namin to pinupuntahan. Ayan. Ayan po. Ha? 5 to 7 na siya. Ito po siya mga kaibigan. Buffet po siya. Masarap dito yung mga pagkain nila mga kaibigan. Ito mo, hindi pa siya busy. Ayan. Tapos may mga shop dito. Ano may... It's freezing today, ne? Ayan po guys. Ayan. Paumpisa na. Ito. Ayan po. Yung open times nila dito. So, Monday to Friday is
Kids.
for the kids meal only. Ayan. Konti mahal for tonight, guys. Ayan. Ito po yung suot natin kasi sobrang lamig. Sinuot ko po yung regalo ni Yang Yang yata or Cathy or Rachel. Favorite ko. Kami. Nakapila po kami. Ayan. Ayan na po si Briton mga kaibigan. Nag-sorting out na po ng aming table. Ayan si Briton. Ito po yung kanilang parang reception ba mga kaibigan. Si Briton nakaseryoso yung pagmumuka. Ayan. Waiting area muna siya. Ayan na mga kaibigan, may table na kami, table 39 po kami. Ayan, isundan lang natin yung waitress. Maraming pumunta dito for dinner. Ayan mga kaibigan, looking forward na. Hanapin muna natin yung ating table. Ayan.
For you,
Okay, thank you.
My colleague will be here shortly to take you.
Okay, thank you. Where you want, babe? You there? Yeah, okay. 39. Ayan si Briton po. May selection soup dito. Mga barbecue. Alright. And then, ay wala silang siomay. Siopaw lang mayroon sila. And then, mga pizza. Wala silang teriyaki. They have here. Okay. And tom yum soup. Ito po yung mga sushi area nila mga kaibigan and salads. Ubus na. Paubos na yung mga sushi nila. I'll try. Kuha lang tayo ng isang hash brown. I fancy hash brown. Ayan. And then mushroom, chicken nuggets. I don't know what that one. Onion rings, fish, squid, chicken. I'm gonna get this one. Masarap kasi ito mga kaibigan. Ito muna ang kakainin ko mga kaibigan. Ayan, may tom yum soup po tayo, prawns and hash brown. Masarap.
This one is really nice.
I-try natin yung isda. Ito na. Mahang kasi yan. Puro na lang ulam, wala tayong kanin. Thank you, babe. I try steamed pork.
You know, I waited ages to pay for the thing,
Yeah.
and then somebody else came. Said, "Oh, sorry about that. She's a trainee." Must have screwed something up.
Kunti ang hang.
What's that?
Steamed pork. This one.
Oh yeah.
Naputol yung ating ulo.
Mhm.
Ayan. Anghang. The rice spicy.
Okay. Chili peppers in it.
Normally the thing is not spicy. Ito.
Ano siya? I got different rice.
The steamed pork is nice.
Yeah.
Mm. I got mushroom as well.
You got fish?
Fish.
Mm-hmm.
I got prawns. I got steamed pork. I got
Oh, you know what? I realise I don't do anymore. One of those like aubergines and soy sauce.
you never done
That's
paborito
alright.
namin food yun.
I don't push the seaweed and stuff in.
Mm-mm. Kain po tayo mga kaibigan. Ayan. I'm looking forward for this dinner. The steamed fish is nice. Doon Singapore area menu. We are loyal customer with them in it, babe. It's been a long time. We in and out in here, no?
You don't get the card anymore, do you?
No, they never do now. Loyalty card.
Mm-hmm.
And you notice, the staff there are new faces now, not like used to before, no? They've been like a three,
Talking about students and move on. Aren't
maybe 1 to 2, 3 years they've been together, they've been here for a while,
they? Yeah.
and then move out, no? Ang sarap ng food nila. Kain po tayo.
That's alright.
Ayaw mo no ano?
Yeah.
Siupaw? Or
It's too filling. Sweet all that, I'll eat nothing
sweet?
else.
Sweet?
Sweet as well, yeah.
Oo. Ayaw niya ng siupaw. Gusto niyang puto. You like the puto, di ba?
Oo.
Nakailang batch kaya tayo nito, babe? Para makaapat yata kaming batch nito. Kain muna kami mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan, may kababayan po tayo dito. Taga Pilipinas. Ayan si Kuya. Nagtatrabaho po siya dito sa Cosmo. Si Berton. How's your food?
Horrible.
Horrible?
Horrible. Worst place I've ever eaten. Like eating paper.
Paper.
Even
Pero,
cucumbers running away with.
but in fairness, that's a second batch.
Yeah. I hate it so much I'm having 2 lots, yeah.
Yeah. Mine is, I got 2 prawns left. And then I'm gonna have a 3rd batch, babe. And the 4th batch is pudding. Na-enjoy si Brito sa food niya. Mga Indian food naman to mga kaibigan. Ano to? Butter mushroom. Try natin to mga kaibigan. Baka maanghang to. Try lang natin ng konti. Yan, Papa Don's. Prawn crackers. Lamb Rogan Gosh. Chicken jalfrezi. Chicken tikka masala. And naan bread. Try natin yung kanilang naan bread konti. Ito po yung mga dessert nila. Ayan, makalat. Parang minorder yata to ah. Ayan, makalat yung kanilang serving area. Kunti lang mga fruits and veggies nila. Passion fruit and coconut. Okay. Pang 3rd batch ko na to mga kaibigan. Na-fooding na si Briton. Ako pangatlo pa lang, mamaya pa yung fooding ko. Pudding dito, dessert ang tawag. Ayan.
Enough no room, that's the pudding.
Ah? Cheese, babe. Babe. Ayan.
Really?
It looks more selection their pudding, no?
A lot of cheesecake stuff.
I need to eat more. I'm done this and then I have pudding. I tried their Indian food. If I like it, normally spicy, no?
Yeah. So spicy.
Not bad.
Yeah.
The mushroom one. It's not really spicy. Not too much curry on it. Ako baboy tonight.
Number 3.
Ha?
Number 3.
Nice.
3rd batch.
Pangatlo na to.
What? What the trifle? Something like chocolate dust on the top. You put in your mouth. Dries your mouth out.
Salty. Bitter.
Of the dust. Coca-Cola.
Kain tayo ulit.
That's all right.
Aking dessert. Coconut passion fruit cake and piña colada, piña colada.
Pina colada.
Oh, piña colada dessert.
Pina colada.
Oo, piña colada. Ayan, si Briton. Mukhang busig na. Pagod na yan mag-ano. Mabigat na yung tiyan niya mag-drive. Kaya mga kaibigan, tapos na po kami mag-dinner. Uwi na po kami. Thank you, Cosmo, again. Ayan. Baboy na si Breton. Ala push. Ayan. Thank you for dinner, bye. Ayan, it's a beautiful dinner. Okay. Ayan. Pauwi na po kami. Sobrang lamig. Na-enjoy namin po yung dinner namin. Ala. Oo. Na-enjoy po namin yung dinner namin. And then, nakapag third batch po ako ng main meals. And then, naka second batch po ako ng dessert.
Baboy.
Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Sobrang lamig. Hindi na kami nagpaalam sa kay kuya, yung waitress doon kasi so busy his work. Kasi hindi masyadong pagdating sa work kasi hindi ka pwede makipag-chit-chat masyado sa mga customer. Yan guys, nanginginig ako. I still got Parkinson. I'm shaking. Ayan po. Dito po kami sa gilid ng park. Ayan po yung aming sasakyan. So, uwian time. Thank you sa lovely dinner date naman namin ni Breton. Yan. Dito ko na po iin ang aking munting video mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po pagsama sa amin. Kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, please pa-like, pa-share, pa-subscribe. At huwag kalimutan po mag-hit ng notification bell para ma-updated po kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Big shout out to all the Team Bakbakan at Team Promote at saka sa mga bagong kaibigan. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Paalam muna. Night night everyone.